Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
And anybody that's a moderator, do not block this man. Keep him here. He is the prime example of what I mean. Why we can never get shit together. He is still typing in the chat without. I'm gonna do the link again. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it one more time to this moron. One more time. And see what he gonna do. Well, shit, we ain't murdering like y'all. Well, motherfucker, we ain't costing America $22 billion. Or motherfucker, we ain't raping 1 out of 4 of Mexican women that cross the border, motherfucker. But do I give a fuck about that? Is that the bigger picture? No, I don't care. Because it doesn't fucking matter. What matters is what I'm talking about now. About us as men coming together and figuring some shit out. But he cried and came on here. Bro, listen to, I want you guys who are watching this video. You watch it now. Rewind it back. Listen to all the shit I said about black people and white people. What I've said about us. And look who cried about one thing I said about his people. One thing that I said about them that was the factual truth. Look what happens. He gets upset. But everything I said about black people and white people is just facts. Fucking white man shooting up schools, killing folks. Leave them kids alone. Black folks, them niggas is evil. They shooting, they murdering. Hang them niggas. Man, the Mexicans, but them motherfuckers called 22 billion. It's still not IDs. They raping women. What the fuck? You racist motherfucker. At least we ain't murdering. At least we ain't shooting up schools. Stupid shit, man. Stupid shit. Stupid shit. What's your occupation? Bro, there's the link. Hit the fucking link. You're not as smart as you think, and he's not hitting the link. Corey, you still here? Actually, I see you guys are still here. Y'all just probably enjoying the show, just loving it up. We got about 26 people watching, and it's not on all on YouTube. Look at this shit he's saying. Look at this. These are Viva. Viva. These are the people they pumping into America for a reason. Do you guys see this shit? My phone is here. This is real life shit. This is real life shit this guy's doing. This is a real person. The same black idiots they wanted here, and they see that black people are fucking waking up to these fucking liberals. It's not enough of us to get them votes. It's too many voting on the conservative side. It's not enough. But if we keep pumping these people right here in, we keep pumping them in, they'll vote for the right. They'll keep the crime up. They'll keep the bullshit, and they will always stick with each other. They'll stick with each other, and they bullshitting. They don't want to talk about their crimes. They raping, they murdering. They don't want to talk about that. No, this is my people. But if I'm black and I say these are my people, I'm with Black Lives Matter. I'm on bullshit. But when they do it, that's my race. Think about this: white people, white Americans, black Americans, Hispanic Americans. Look at this shit. Look at this motherfucker, man. What I'm saying is not a lie. They're not putting. They're not allowing. They're allowing. These white liberals are allowing. How they allowed the feminist movement. How they allow Black Lives Matter. They're allowing these people in for a reason. Because this is the shit they're going to bring. Confusion, chaos, bullshit. Not getting to a solution. This is what the people they bringing in here. They love these people. They love them. Until they move into their neighborhoods and they do what the Chicago mayor did. Until they move into their neighborhoods, then it's an issue. Other than that, they love them. They treat us like pets. And this dumb motherfucker will come on and say some shit like this. This nigga talking about child support. You didn't even train your woman to not even be on child. Like, what is wrong with you motherfuckers? Stupid motherfucker, man. This is stupid. The link is right there. This motherfucker over here, you're not as smart as you think you is, but I'm going to type it at you. I'm not going to hit the link, though. I'm going to type at you. I'm just like a dumbass nigga. Just like these motherfucking Black Lives Matter and liberals. And that's why they want them here. I might end the video here, but I'm saying, that's why they want these people here. They don't want them here because they hard working. They want them here because they act like this. Just like a dumb black motherfucker. But guess what? It's not enough black folks voting over there because they waking up to this bullshit. It's not enough black people talking about white people holding me down. Yes, you're gonna see it on news and TV if they promoting, but there's more black people that's accepting the truth. These motherfuckers here won't accept the truth. They don't care. They don't give a fuck about America. They don't give a fuck about the truth. They don't give a fuck about no logic. They only care about my people. Viva. That's it. Viva. Well, I'm Viva too. I'm Viva America. I'm Viva a man. I'm Viva pro male. Pro women. I'm pro us. I'm pro people. That's what I'm pro. A Mexican man came to me and told me, logical man, what you saying is truth. You think I'd be like, you made me. No, I'm saying, man, I appreciate that, brother. Now, if he told me, but hey, man, why black people keep stealing, right? I'd be like, bro, most of these motherfuckers raised by a single mom. They ain't shit. Hey, the best for you, the best thing I want us to do is me and you as a Mexican man, me as a black man, is us go down to that mayor house and vote these niggas in their cells where they belong. Vote these niggas in jail. As me and you as a white American and these fucking migrants coming here and bringing in all these fucking high-ass taxes, all these anchor babies, all this rape, all this violence, me and you as a white American, you as a white American, me as a black American, go to that mayor's house. Simple as that. To the Mexican man that want a solution, to the black man that want a solution, to the white man that want a solution, we got to go vote, we got to come together, and we got to get this shit right. And we got to point out the bullshit. We got to point out all the bullshit in our groups. We got to. Because if we don't, like this motherfucker right here, Viva! Raza! That shit, he going to enable, well, shit, if he's for his people, the white guy going to be like, well, fuck that. I'm for my people. I'm a patriot. I'm rolling with the white people. Shit, he ain't talking about his people. What the fuck they doing? This black man just told him his stats. He didn't give a fuck. He said, at least we don't commit murder. Fuck that, I'm rolling with white people. And the black guy like, well, fuck y'all, I'm rolling with the black people. That's what's going to happen. And guess what? No, what's going to happen? Motherfucker like me like, oh, fuck. I let this dumb idiot motherfucker join us and his ass on that bullshit. He dividing us. He doing exactly what the system wants. We want Mexicans over there. We want blacks over there. We want whites over there. And they're going to fight to the death. And we're going to take over all this shit. So they won't. That's what he represents. Viva! Raza! Yeah. My people. Your people do more murder. Yeah, your people cost us $22 billion every 2 years. Blacks don't do that. What the fuck? Nigger? What the you monkey? you just hit at me, nigger. Did you just give me a real stat? Did you just tell me sanctuary cities don't report our crimes in America database? What? Nigger? Huh? But the white man will accept what I say about him and his people. And if he tell me something about black people, I will accept it. I won't cry. I won't be like, well, fuck you, white man, you evil. I'm saying, hey, that's right, dog. I like your mindset. You tell it how I like. You accepted what I said about your people, and I accept what you said about your people. You know what? Maybe we can do something. Maybe we can build something. Let's go talk to Jose over here and see what Jose got to say. Hey, yo, Jose, man, look. Yo, motherfucking people bring all these motherfucking kids over here, throwing trash and shit. Loud as fuck, costing us all this money. Heard they rape some bitches down the street. What we gonna do? Fuck you, man. Rise up for life, dog. I'm looking at the white American. He looking at me. I'm like, we see what the issue is. Let's move on. But if we go to the next man, he be like, hey, I'm with y'all, man. These motherfuckers fucking shit up. I'm tired of these might be my people, but they doing dumb shit. I'm riding with y'all. Now we got something together. It's the Mexican man, the white man, the black man, the Asian. We together now. So let's go clean this shit up. Let's point this shit out and show these women how men conduct themselves. Not like a little bitch.